Hello everyone! If you are a crafty and creative person who wants to sell their handmade item online, or if you are a female seller who likes to create innovative items, then 𝐿𝐶 is the best platform for you to expand your business and ideas. Currently, 𝐿𝐶 has over 7.5 million active sellers and approximately 96.3 million active buyers, which means sellers can easily expand their business. As a seller, if you are confused about where or how to start your business, then this video will be helpful for you. This is your host Shima. Welcome to 𝐿𝐶. Today we are going to show you some tips and tricks on how you will be able to boost your business on 𝐿𝐶. Stay tuned and watch this video till the end to get all your questions answered. Why is 𝐿𝐶 getting popular? 𝐿𝐶 is designed in a way so that everyone can utilize it. With 𝐿𝐶, you can create your new shop along with new product listing at ease. Being a user-friendly platform, every product's data and sales are readily available to download. Now we are going to discuss some of the key points that will help you to expand your business on 𝐿𝐶, such as powerful SEO, graphics section, connect your shop with your social media accounts, discount on 𝐿𝐶 for the shopping carts, consider researching on all successful 𝐿𝐶 sellers, consider using free shipping, ready stock for shipping, engage your listing with 𝐿𝐶 tools, learn what your buyer wants, being patient and find your perfect item, advertising and marketing policy. Now let's go over these key points in more detail. Powerful SEO. To grow your 𝐿𝐶 business properly, you will need to get used to doing SEO. Proper SEO and full optimization of your content will greatly help you attract your customers and increase traffic to your store. Make sure the title, feature points, and description are all updated with proper keywords. Graphics section. The main images, feature images, lifestyle images all are most important for attracting your customers to your store. So use proper high resolution images that will help you to increase sales. Connect your shop with your social media account. Social media is undoubtedly one of the most important and crowded platforms in the modern world. Try to engage your visitors personally and try to retain them to boost your traffic. You can run a much focused giveaway campaigns to maximize the effectiveness of your store and sales. Discount on 𝐿𝐶 for the shopping carts. 𝐿𝐶 comes with a feature where you can send your coupon codes for those persons who are about to leave their cart before finalizing their purchase. Consider researching on all the successful 𝐿𝐶 sellers. You need to have very precise insight into the strategies of other 𝐿𝐶 sellers who are having impressive successful stories. It's all about going a bit on the field to collect practical experiences rather than knowing only the theoretical strategies. Consider using free shipping. Providing free shipping in an innovative way while saving your profit is going to very effective way to increase your sales. According to the survey, user prefers product with free shipping over those products that come up with a price. Ready stock for shipping. Most of the 𝐿𝐶 sellers have a small family business that rely on the third-party courier service. Properly managing your shipping time will help you greatly in becoming profitable. Engaging your listing with 𝐿𝐶 tools. You can easily create your listing and put them up with 𝐿𝐶 tools. If you don't engage with the listings and let them sit there, no one will be able to find your shop. Once you start engaging and interacting more with your site as a seller, you will be able to notice a huge increase in traffic and orders. Learn what your buyers want. If you want to increase your business on 𝐿𝐶, you should try to create items that buyers want and tell them about the products. You need to find your own brand focus and work towards the goal with what you have. Being patient and finding your perfect item. You should know that struggling is a huge part of growing a business. You have to be patient and eventually everything will fall into its place. It may take you a couple of months before you get your first sale. Advertising and marketing policy. Last but not the least, we highly recommended you to do PPC or advertising on your unique products. Spending a little could give you a huge sale. So far, we have discussed about 11 vital points to boost up the 𝐿𝐶 sales. Besides this, there are many facts that might help you to get more sales. If you need more information about this, please let us know in the comment box. That's all for today. Hope this video has been helpful for you. If yes, please like, comment and share this video with your friends and business associates. If you have anything more to know about Etsy and other marketplaces, then don't hesitate to write down your questions in the comment section. Also, you can check our website www.ecomclips.com. Till then, stay safe and stay with us.